Bonjour. Let's learn some French. I'm going to use this Duolingo. I'm going to start over from scratch. Because I probably forgot everything. I took a long language break. So we're going to start from scratch. I want a refresher. I want to look like I'm noting. Oh, l'homme. Let's turn that up a little bit. Full blast. The man. Ooh. One. Here we go.
Le chat.
Le chat is the cat. So far, so good. How do you say the cat? Chat.
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 Le garçon.
Le garçon, the boy. Easy peasy.
Un homme et un chat.
Whoa, she's really excited about this. Say what again? Un homme et un chat, so a man and a cat. Garçon.
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 Chat.
Chat. Cat.
Chat.
Chat. Oh, I did not press the button. And is
Et.
Eh.
Un.
One. Oh boy.
Un chat et un homme.
Un chat et un homme. So, a cat and a man. Whoa. I'm gonna break my chair here. Tap the matching pairs. Man is homme.
Homme.
Chat.
Chat.
Et. What?
Et.
A is un. Oh, and is a.
Et.
Good thing I started from scratch, man.
Garçon.
Don't want to make those kind of
Un
mistakes.
chat et un garçon.
Un chat et un garçon. So a cat and a boy. Great workouts. Make it harder. A cat and a man. So un chat
Chat.
et un homme.
Homme.
Un chat et un homme. A cat and a boy. So un chat.
Un chat et un garçon.
She sounds so bored. Un chat et un garçon. Day one. Victory! Alright. Lesson complete. Is that enough for day one, though? I don't think that's, like, enough.
Do you have a friend that just got a new keyboard and has absolutely no idea how to play
Sorry
it?
about
Then
the
get them the
ads.
Simply Piano app. Greg, what are you doing, man?
I don't
That's
have
right,
the-
folks. With Simply
I'm
Piano,
pressing the X. It's not stopping. I earned 17 gems. Open another chest. No, they're going to make me watch an ad, so I'm not going to do that. You relit your streak. Well, that was day one. How did I Okay, you unlocked a gift. Alright, let's equip that. No, I don't want to pay 5,000. I wonder how much it is for the pro version where there's no ads. Alright, day one. Let's do one more. I'll do one more. I don't feel like I got enough of that French immersion there. No, I don't want to. Did I lose a heart in that? Oh yeah, I did get one wrong, eh? Man, they're trying to bribe me. La fille.
La fille.
There you go. La fille, the girl. I have a T here.
La femme.
La femme, the woman. Alright, I gotta feel the rhythm. Why doesn't it just progress? I gotta change it in the settings, I guess. Woman is femme.
Femme.
Femme. Femme.
Un garçon et une fille.
Un garçon et une fille. So, a boy. And, whoops. And a girl. Easy peasy.
Je suis Paul.
Je suis Paul, I am Paul. Je.
Je suis Marie.
Je suis Marie, so I am Mary. Je suis Marie.
Je.
I.
Je.
Je.
Je suis une fille.
Je suis une fille, I am a fille.
Une.
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 Bring it, bring it.
Je suis une femme.
Je suis une femme, so I am a femme. Woman. Woman is femme, and is est. Boy is garçon.
Garçon.
I is je.
Je.
And girl is fille. Une fille et un chat.
Fille.
Oh yeah, bring it, bring it. I'm feeling confident in these beginner lessons. I am a woman. Je suis une femme.
Femme.
I am married, so je suis marié. Perfect. Oh, it's going to be a commercial. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson before they start the commercial. I'm going to go into the settings and see if I can just auto advance. Alright, how do I shut this video off? Oh, wait. Oh, no video. Let's go. Got it. Alright. Peace.